Hello people, welcome to my new video. Today we are covering some baby Dogecoin news, and of course for the end we are looking at this chart over here. We are giving some chart analysis and what is happening in the last, let's say, 2 or 3 days, and what will happen in the next day or two with the price and what can be expected. So if you're interested in this chart analysis, if you found it helpful, please stay till the end of the video. I think this is very helpful for anyone that is starting crypto and looking on all these small coins that we are looking right now. So let's begin with this global market cap, and we can see today that the global market cap is up by almost 1.5% in the 24 hours. We can see the big gainers that are Bitcoin and Ethereum that are taking the most of the market cap for crypto are in the up in the last 24 hours, or just a little bit. The Ethereum is a little more on 2.5% jump, and the Bitcoin is almost 0.5% jump in the last 24 hours. As we can see, this Ethereum and Bitcoin on this 7 days chart percentually are dropped the Bitcoin for almost 2.5%, and the Ethereum is up by almost 4%. So we can see that it's doing better than Bitcoin. So these little charts over here and diagrams that are showing what is happening in the last 7 days are showing that this uptrend started on, let's say, the first or second day of this 7 days period, and the uptrend was great over here. But now with this was, I think, the boat over here hit the all-time high price, and we can see that Ethereum is sitting at $4,363 and Bitcoin on 61,000. This is lower, and this is maybe lower than it was before, yeah, of course, but the last before this, like a few months ago, the all-time high was I think 4,000 and like $200, something like that. So it break the all-time high, and I think it's still sitting at higher price than it was. So of course this little pullback for Ethereum and Bitcoin is expected, and we can see that it isn't that much of a pullback if it continues to grow up. So of course we are looking at baby Dogecoin. This is our interest today, and we can see it's up almost 9% in the last 24 hours. This one-day chart, as we see, has shown that it has a massive spikes and a massive drops in these 24 hours, but overall the price, and of course currently we can see this uptrend that is following this last few hours is still in the trend, and the price is still pumping up. And if it breaks this over here, this would be great, because if this is 10%, this would be 15% of, and 15% for one small coin like this is like great. And if you invested, this 15% could be huge for someone. The volume, as we're always looking, is looking stable and massive. So this is just a little drop, but that depends, of course, on the timelines and everything, because some timelines are stronger on the volume, and the volume always is going like in the waves, and it's up and down and it's up and down, because when it's night it's not a trading and everything. But as we see the volume, okay, this was the big down in the volume, but from that point on, just this little over here drop. But I can see and I can say that the volume is still good for this baby Dogecoin. So we're gonna look some articles for baby Doge, and for the beginning, no, we're gonna, yeah, this. So this is the first thing that we're watching, and it says, okay, happy birthday, 5 months. So it's 5 months old, and today, 5 months ago, the baby Dogecoin was founded and started. So we can see that for the in this period of 5 months, baby Doge, so it passed 840,000 holders plus holders. So that's great for the period of 5 months. That means that almost, I can say, what 160,000 people. 170,000 people bought a baby Dogecoin in this period of 5 months, in every month that happened. So this is a great thing to see, like 840,000 plus holders, and it's 5 months birthday. So congratulations, baby Dogecoin. So this is the biggest news. This is just a little thing that it is its birthday, so we can see the couple announcements. So Tesla giveaway winner. So if you don't know, the baby Doge has some Tesla wrapped baby Doge car. We can see, let's see, maybe we can see it over here. It's always on the top, I think. We will see, it will come, I think. Yeah, my Twitter is begging, so we can look it nicely, but we can see this is it end in the 11 hours, so like 3 more hours. This giveaway is here, and it's a Tesla wrapped. I don't know, I can click it, but you can see just for a second that it's a wrapped, and it says baby doge, and it has a lot of things. So we can see that picture on this small over here, and we can see that it's Tesla wrapped in baby doge, and they're giving away it. So that's great, and it's ending soon. But I think it's yeah, it's moved for tomorrow. Giveaway winner announced tomorrow at 8 a.m. East. But this over here, the burn of 3 quadrillion tokens is happening tomorrow at 11 a.m. East. So every burning almost, and especially these high amounts of burning from baby doge will impact the price. And as we say, this is the uptrend, and the price is pumping like 10, 12, 13% in this 24-hour range. And I think it will hit more than this 8.2%, but we will see. We will watch the chart, and you will see why I say it will hit that 13-15%, maybe not today but tomorrow, and like in the period of 2 days. And of course, if we see that this burning is happening, like the price could go and lose, I think for sure lose this zero over here with all this happening, the birthday and this giveaway, and this of course this burning over here. So let's see over here, it says baby doge is 114th on CoinGecko. So for this small coin like this, for baby dogecoin, that it has like what 6 or 7 zeros over here, to be 114 on some big site like CoinGecko, it's great. And we saw like 840,000 holders for baby doge and everything. Even though it's so small and it has a lot of supply and everything, it has a potential. And with all those burnings, the supply is getting smaller and smaller, and the price is pumping and pumping. And like for $1, or like how much baby dogecoin you can buy for just $1 or $5, you would buy, I don't know, millions, probably, maybe a little less. I can count right now, but yeah. So we're just looking Reddit right now, and you can see that Reddit is burning as always for baby doge. Everything is looking great, and this over here says 40k new holders in the last 48 hours for baby doge, and we are overloading the BCS scan website. Seems like a good problem. So as you see, BCS and the says we are expecting heavy traffic, back data might not be up to date. So they're expecting so to baby doge transaction and everything be up, because it would be so many of them with this new 40k holders in just the 2 days period of time. So we're gonna look at this article over here. Like, they are positive, always positive, and always trying to kill the zero and go to the moon, which is great for the community. Like for any little coin, it's great. And with all those followers and holders, that zero will be lose easily. So this is some price predictions 8. So I think this guy probably go give price predictions all the time, but something that he says is probably most important week ever. So this is the explanation and what will happen in the next week. Let's say Monday price hitting, okay, after the yeah, well, it's a complicated explanation. I read it all, but you don't need to read everything that it says. But it's important that it's very positive, and as you can see, this guy over here expects only the great for baby doge. If he's right, the price could easily lose the zero, and that's great. So if you're interested, you can watch and see everything that I covered on their Reddit and Twitter, because this is the news that we are covering. So for the end, of course, as I said, this is the chart analysis. So this is the chart with 15 minutes candles, and of course, as I always do, I drew these two lines. One is something like the support, and this is the resistance. And we can see this price over here was never hit after that it reached this price, and this massive dump and everything in this trend consolidation and dumps and everything. But from this point on, you can see this is the important thing over here. Yeah, this point on, the price started to rise and the uptrend begins. So this was we can say the little downtrend from over here, with this massive dump and the big spike, and of course massive dump. But as you can see, this high over here and this high over here, this is the lower high and this is the low, and of course this low over here is lower than this. So this was one simple downtrend that reversed on this point on. So as you can see, we can say this is the support, because everything else is broken. This isn't a support. This maybe can be support, but it's surpassed. Like right now it will pass it. So this support line and these resistance lines are coming in this ascending triangle. And of course we can see if this is the 15-minute chart, and this is just, let's say, from 2, this is just the 1 day, this everything that you see over here, this is just the last 1 or 2 hours today, and probably tomorrow the consolidation and everything that is happening over here will burst. And every time this happens, and we can see it's hitting the all-time high over here, if it reach this all-time high with this birthday Tesla giveaway and all the burning, we can expect this price to be broke easily. And of course, as we're always expecting for baby doge to lose that 1 or 2 zeros in very short period of time. Of course, as I always says, I'm not the financial advisor. This is just my opinion, what will happen and what is happening right now. I was right a few times when I said something like that, but of course that's not always the case in the market. It's so unpredictable. So for every investing that you're planning to do on baby doge or any small coin that you're interested in, do the big research before, because if you don't do that, this and everything that we cover would be for nothing. And that's just the wasting of money, of time and everything. So please don't do that. Do the research. That's the most important thing. So for the end, thanks again for watching this video. As I always say, leave a subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, your opinion on everything that I cover and some suggestions that we need to cover later. So thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video. Bye.